Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to How Tech Is. And in this video I'm going to talk about how can you fix when your iPhone stuck on recovery mode or iTunes mode. So it is this is one of my old iPhone and stuck on this iTunes screen, basically in recovery mode screen. And this is the completely latest method, and there's no way you will not lose any data of your phone while doing that. That's the best thing which I like. And it's a working method completely in 2021. So let's do how to fix that. So first of all, you require to download this Tenorshare Reiboot from the given link below the description. Simply download and install it in your PC, and after installing that, just open the Tenorshare Reiboot. So it will looks like that. So and okay, whenever I try to turn it on, it's just stuck on this iTunes logo. And basically it just with one click you can exit from this screen with this application, and you will not lose any single data from your phone. So you require original cable which comes with the phone, which I just connected. This is my original cable, which not the original, basically it's a high quality cable. I just connected it in my phone and just simply plugged in. So here it is. There will be an option like exit recovery mode, iPhone 4S recovery mode. So iOS system repair, no need to do start, just simply click on exit recovery mode, and it's recovery. The phone is exiting from the recovery mode. Let's see how much time does it takes. And the best part which I liked, you will not lose any data. So it's just exited. So done. Exit mode successfully, your device back to normal. Okay, so this is the way. In that way you can easily fix your iPhones with this application in just one click. So insert SIM card. Let's see my datas. Okay, here it is in the camera roll. It's 39. Means pictures are there, so it means not deleted my any single data of my phone. So if you like this video, if you also facing the same issue, you can just exit from repair your phone in this way by this application, in very simple way. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this.